Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the SONY ZV-1. There it is. There's no packaging inside, so hopefully it turned out okay. So I ordered the white edition. I like the aesthetic on it, and there wasn't a price difference on it. Oh, it's also 4K. Okay, needs to be charged. It's got a flip screen. Oh, comes with a little mic to match the white color, a little rabbit foot. Charging cable, battery, it's got a little port to screw stuff in. Microphone port, charging port. Okay, let's see. Okay, and you can set your time zone. Okay, my tripod just fell over on top of me, but so you can enter the date and time. Battery is pretty dead, and I need an SD card, so I'm going to flip the screen, and there we have it. Filming you, filming me. Not too sure about how clear this picture is. I'm not sure if I like this. So it's a super clear picture, unfortunately. Let's see everything. I don't know if I'll keep this or return it. Okay, so this is how super clear the video is. And if you get closer, it kind of blurs out the background, which is kind of nice, but then it picks up everything on your face. I'm gonna turn the lights on. And here we go. Yeah, it's super detailed. Not sure if I like that. So here is what the camera footage actually looks like, or the camera quality, I should say. Able to zoom in on myself, and then it kind of blurs out the background. So in this clip, I'm not wearing any makeup at all, and my face doesn't look horrible. It kind of Photoshop stuff out, Facetune stuff out, you know, like the app Facetune, which is great because I don't want to be wearing makeup every time I vlog. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.